Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll show you the Binance Cashback Voucher and how to use. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Binance app was updated, okay? That's very important. After that, you open your Binance account, log in, and here in your home page, you need to click in your profile picture in the top and left side of your screen. And here in that section here, you need to click in the second option, okay, the reward center. So here in the reward center, you see all of your vouchers of cashback. Okay, so you just waiting to load, and here you see all the vouchers of cashback. And to use is very simple. In my case, the vouchers was expired, but for you, you see the voucher, okay, in the yellow in the left, and instead of expired, you see redeem, okay? So you just click here, and after that, in your next deposit in the Binance account, you can get the $20 cashback or $5 cashback, okay? So you can cash back the amount of money of the voucher, okay? So I hope I can help you to use your Binance Cashback Voucher. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!